Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be cleaning the fridge. So if you've got one of those mini integrated fridges, I'm going to be showing you how to clean that. So join me today. I'm only going to use fairy washing up liquid to clean the whole entire fridge. So I'm going to take all the trays out. I'm going to get my spray bottle and it's currently empty, so I'm going to pour water in there and only dishwashing liquid. I'm just going to pour. Okay, all done. They're like one of the most forgotten things. So I've got my cloth right here. The other day we spilled some yogurt, so there's a bit of buildup on the right hand corner there. I'm going to tackle it now. Completely forgot about that place. And the other part is rust. All right. I'm going to take this one out to washed. Had forgotten you could actually take that off, so I'm going to wash that one as well. I'm just going to spray. Focus on the freezer compartment, so I had made sure to have this defrosted so we can clean it. Back to the inside, doing a final clean inside there. So I'm going to get this and I'm going to give it a quick rinse. Just wiping away all of the washing up liquid. You can use another cleaning cloth if you want to, but I'm just recycling this one. It's not that bad. I'm gonna rinse it again. All right, now we're gonna get our microfiber cloth, and we're just gonna wipe everything off. Just in case y'all think that's dirt, it's actually not. This is the, look how clean the microfiber cloth is. It's just that the I don't know what you call it. It's, you can see the ventilation bit. It's black at the back, so that's not dirt. Okay, there we go. So that's the inside done. So now I'm going to focus on the trays. My Dishmatic. Okay, so now to clean these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get like that, end of a teaspoon, and I'm going to spray, do it there, and then I'm just going to run this like so. Let's do all the edges. Okay, so now I'm just going to rinse everything now. Okay, I'm going to dry everything up now. These back. Everything back now. And there you have it, all nice and clean, guys, and we only used one product, so I'm really impressed with that. And yeah, enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.